We did it! Sonic was defeated by Team Eggman! Victory selfie! You fool! I had him just where I wanted him. Sorry, that one's on me, Shadow. Forgot to turn off the flash.
I can't believe Sega is adapting the Shadow Got Owned meme. Well, look on the bright side, Shadow. It can't be any worse than Sonic Boom Rise of Lyric. Are you kidding me? Sega is going to milk this as bad as Sonic Boom. What's wrong, Tenderfoot? Can't stand the cow puns? You smug son of a...